If you've ever opened a scanned PDF and thought, there's no way I can search or copy this text, this video is for you. In the next few minutes, I'm going to show you how to search and copy text from scanned PDFs in Chrome using a simple built-in feature that many people never notice. This is a great trick for students, office workers, researchers, or anyone who needs to pull text from a scanned document fast. And if you want more easy tech tutorials like this, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more helpful videos. All right, let's get started. First, open your scanned PDF in Google Chrome. If the file is already on your computer, right-click the PDF, choose Open With, and then select Google Chrome. If the PDF is online, just click the link and let it open in a new Chrome tab. Once the file opens, don't worry if the text looks like part of an image. Chrome can still process it in the background. Give it a moment to analyze the scanned document. Depending on the file size and your computer speed, this may take a few seconds. Now for the search part. Press Ctrl and F on Windows or Command and F on Mac to open Chrome's Find tool. Type in the word or phrase you want to search for. If Chrome has detected the text correctly, it will highlight the matches directly on the scanned page. That means you can jump to the exact section you need without reading through the entire document manually. This is especially useful when you're looking for names, dates, addresses, or specific keywords inside a long scanned file. If the text is clear enough, Chrome does a surprisingly good job of finding it. Now let's move to copying text. Click and drag your cursor over the text on the page just like you would with normal text. Once you've selected the portion you need, right-click and choose Copy. You can then paste that text into a Word document, email, Notes app, or wherever you need it. If the selection is a little tricky, try zooming in first to make it easier to highlight the correct area. Also, make sure you're dragging over the visible text carefully, since scanned PDFs can sometimes be slightly harder to select than regular digital PDFs. If Chrome doesn't let you search or copy right away, refresh the page and wait a little longer for the document to finish processing. In many cases, the feature kicks in after the file has fully loaded, so the full process is really simple. Open the scanned PDF in Chrome, wait for Chrome to analyze the file, use Ctrl or Command plus F to search for text, and then click and drag to highlight and copy the text you need. This can save you a huge amount of time and make scanned documents much easier to work with. If this tutorial helped, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more quick Chrome tips, PDF tricks, and productivity tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.